back to JR Jeep. This is Lance speaking. Glad to see you all today. I'm going to go over some today that's sort of maybe a love and hate relationship that we all have. Besides with our Jeeps, once in a while, which frustrate us, it's maybe tools we need in relation to fixing said Jeep. So I was looking at some stuff the other day, and I have numerous impact guns, screwdrivers, drills, heavier duty impact guns, but the one thing I didn't have was really electric ratchet. And this last year, just doing a lot of the mods I've done on the Jeep, like the bumpers, other said things, I found that that probably would have been a handy tool to have. And why I'm not a tool snob, meaning I'm not going to go necessarily always for a Milwaukee tool or DeWalt or whatever. I do appreciate a good tool, but depends how often I'm going to use it. So I looked at online through a resource that many of us use, Amazon being one of them, and I picked this up. So the ACDelco G12 series 3/8 extended ratchet wrench. So this came as a kit for me, and it was a little over $100. I am going to share the link in the description below. And again, keep in mind, I'm not endorsed by this company. I am sharing the link that if you go to my Amazon store and you desire to purchase this, I do get a small commission on that. That definitely does help me in relation to basically keeping this channel up and running. So I do appreciate it if you go through that link. If not, I totally understand. But I hope you continue to follow my channel, give a thumbs up to this video, and consider subscribing. So, as you can see by this, what I wanted was the extended, because in many instances what I've worked on lately, a standard ratchet wouldn't work well. So this extended one I think would have been a great tool to have, which extends a good 6 inches. As they are showcasing, this is good for car repair, engine work, fastening. This is a kit, so it did come with not only the charger, but some sockets, the battery as well. So we're going to open this up, take a look at it. So in the box, first thing you're going to notice, they do have the charger in there. So we're going to set this off to the side, good long cord. Here is the set of sockets. These are metric. I believe you can choose what you want in the description. I'm going to have to review that again, but I did choose metric. This is basically a rubber top for it to protect the head of the unit. Here's the battery, and here's the tool itself. The tool is quite heavy. I don't mean that in a negative way, it just seems well constructed. Basically you just slap the battery in here and it's good to go. So I did use this today actually. I went out and removed the rear deck I had put in my Jeep last year to support my refrigerator system and fridge slide. I'm actually putting in a drawer system by Nomad Kitchen companies. That's going to be in an upcoming video. And to take out the old one, I used this tool actually because I had bolted that in, and this worked fantastically. Not that it couldn't have done it with a standard socket. Got a little arm workout in there, but this was very handy to do that. The way this tool works is basically to change direction of it. It is on the head itself, so you can switch that back and forth as to whether you want it on or off. As you can see, this is the handle. So it's very easy to grab and use when you need it, but you also have a good reach with this and good control. I found this to be an excellent tool using it today. So I hope you find this helpful. Again, if you do follow my link to get this, I do get a small commission. Thank you. If not, I understand. I hope you found this video very helpful today. I know it's always fun to garner new tools in relation to our favorite hobby, that of building up our Jeep. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. I'd really appreciate it. I'm trying to build the channel up and share more content out as we go. My goal is to get a couple videos out a week. I know I had a week dry spell there for a bit, and I apologize for that. I did have strep throat, so I was not able to do much talking during that week, unfortunately. but I'm trying to get back on the upswing of that and continue to share information out. So I appreciate you chiming in again and looking, and I always appreciate your comments. And again, like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content. Till next time, have a great day. Maybe we'll see you on the trails. Bye-bye.